What's up? So we just got to Crouching Lion.
Oh my god, you're
I'm here with my friends.
So
You want to say hey?
Yeah, I want to say hi.
We just started hiking. The road's still like right there. We're just basically going up now. That's literally how this hike is going. How is it this nice? We've been hiking for literally not even a minute and it already looks like this. And yes, I'm already out of breath and we've been only hiking for a minute. And I've almost fallen like 10 times. Point to 18 miles. And we're all...
Not even a quarter mile left. We're like...
I know, we're all like out of breath. Yeah. Our first little outlook.
First peak.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Not bad.
That's so scary. You could literally just like, oops, I tripped 1 foot, but then you're going like hundreds of feet off the ground to the bottom. This is so cool.
I know, right?
We're at one of the peaks. They get all the way up. So I guess you can say we crouched the lion. Okay, so technically this is the end of Crouching Lion right here. And now we're hitting a second hike on top of this hike. And apparently we'll be like walking just like up both sides of the mountain. Yeah, and how you can just see the bottom right there and right there. It's perfect. This heat's actually really getting to me.
It's hot.
It's hot as hell.
It's day 17. We've been off trail for 16 days. We're running out of water. Leon is starting to look very appetizing.
That water's so beautiful.
We've gone up 6.9 miles.
0.69.
Oh.
We haven't even gone one. We haven't even gone 1 mile. We've gone 3/4
Update, it was not
straight
6
up.
miles, it was 0.6 miles.
Fact check.
Yeah, fact
Slight
check.
correction.
Slight correction. We actually didn't even do a mile. So now that we made it to the top of the world, time to head back down. Day 2. So this place literally looks like Jurassic Park. Everything here is like double in size. The trees, the leaves.
The dinosaurs.
And the dinosaurs are literally everywhere. We just had a pterodactyl come up to us. It was so friendly though. Not like the movies where they're all mean. Just a little mud. Never kill anybody. Oh, now that is a view.
So we're headed to the waterfall to jump. We got Cully.
Headed into the unknown. I'm here in Jurassic Park. Ladies.
Oh my god, are we jumping?
Yes, we're jumping. Literally everyone jumping from this top one sounds like they're breaking their back. Oh.
Are you so excited?
I'm actually like really nervous. No.
Is that the watch?
I videoed everyone.
Again. I already lost my watch. What's next? Now my dignity.
Y'all have fun?
Yeah, that was sick.
That was amazing. What was it?
So fun.
We made some new friends along the way. Woo! Yeah. The vlog continues until tomorrow. Peace out.